Alright, so in this video, we will see how we can group the data in Power BI. So I will go to transform data and I have already, connected one data, which is AdventureWorks product. You just connect this data and do whatever I'm doing. So grouping basically means, so let's say you have three products and the three products are, let's say, a shirt, a pant, or a pen, let's say, and you have those products multiple times. Let's say somebody has bought it today, then he has bought it again, so that products are basically double counting, right? If you have this kind of data and you want to see which products are getting, you want to see the total price of those products, so you can do that using this group options. So basically, if I come here and if I look at the let's say whatever column, so here as you can see in the product color, you see in the product color we have the red multiple times, but we want to group this product color by, let's say, product price or product cost. So let's say red, we can see if the red is, costing more, or if the black is costing more. So we want to do this analysis. So we can use group here, and how we can do it, you don't need to click anywhere, just go to transform and group by. If you just go to group by, you will see a pop-up will open and you will see a drop down where you can choose whatever column you want. So in this case, I want it to be the product color. So I will choose product color. And what should be the column name? The column name should be the exact product cost. So I will just write product cost. And now what I want is, I want to see by this product color, what is my sum of product cost. So in here you see it is counting the rows, but if you click on the drop down, you see there are several options like sum, average, median, mean, max, count, distinct count, and all rows. So in this case we will do the sum, and sum of what? We will take the sum of product cost. So here we will just choose product cost. Here we go, and we will click on OK. If we do that, you see now my product color is unique, and it shows that in red we have the product cost is this much, for black for this much. So you can do that. And if we go to Power BI visualization part, you will see with a bar chart like which color is generate more cost. So this is how you can do the group by. Now if I, let's say, do the group by on anything else, let's say on what, on, let's say, product name. So we want to do it on product name, so we will do the same thing. We will go to group by, we will choose here not the product key, we will choose this time product name. We will uh, whatever we can take it like product price, we can say product price. We will do a sum, and we will take, let's say, the product price, and we will click on OK. So you see the product price column that we have named this one. By all the product names you have, what is the product price. So this is how you can work with this group option. So that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.